हेलो गाइस। आज के इस वीडियो में हम बात करेंगे व्हाट इज रिसर्च। रिसर्च इज द केयरफुल कंसिडरेशन ऑफ स्टडी रिगार्डिंग ए particular concern or research problem using scientific methods. According to the American sociologist Earl Robert Babbie, research is a systematic inquiry to describe, explain, predict, and control the observed phenomenon. It involves inductive and deductive methods. Inductive methods analyze an observed event, while deductive methods verify the observed event. Inductive approaches are associated with qualitative research, and deductive methods are more commonly associated with quantitative analysis. What are the characteristics of research? Good research follows a systematic approach to capture accurate data. Researchers need to practice ethics and code of conduct while making observations or drawing conclusions. The analysis is based on logical reasoning and involves both things. Real-time data and knowledge is derived from actual observations in natural settings. There is an in-depth analysis of all data collected so that there are no anomalies associated with it. It creates a path for generating new questions. Existing data helps create more research opportunities. It is analytical and uses all the available data so that there is no ambiguity in inference. Accuracy is one of the most critical aspects of research. The information must be accurate and correct. For example, laboratories provide a controlled environment to collect data. Accuracy is measured in the instruments used, the calibrations of instruments or tools, and the experiment's final result. Now we will know the what is the research methods and examples. What is research? First of all, we have to know. Again, research methods are broadly classified as qualitative and quantitative. When you use both these methods, then that method will be known as mixed method. Both methods have distinctive properties and data collection methods. What is qualitative research? Qualitative research is a method that collects data using conversational methods using open-ended questions. The responses collected are essentially non-numerical. This method helps a researcher understand what participants think and why they think in a particular way. Types of qualitative methods include one-to-one interview, focus groups, ethnographic studies, text analysis, case study, quantitative methods. Quantitative methods deal with numbers and measurable forms. It uses a systematic way of investigating events or data. It also answers questions to justify relationships with measurable variations to either explain, predict, or control a phenomenon. Types of quantitative methods include survey research, descriptive research, correlational research. These are the two main research method types. Thanks for watching. Hopefully you like it. Then please click the subscribe button and bell icon. We'll meet in another video. Thank you.